Hey, good evening, Facebook. It's me, Delano Silver from Nature Forest brand at Growth Stars. This particular product, you know, I made a video or I uploaded a picture. This is one plant source material that's been mixed and no additives whatsoever. Just the plant source itself. Just sourcing the material, understanding the properties of the material, understanding the breakdown and the metabolics behind it. It took me 2 years to develop this technique and master it, down to the way I could do it in approximately 4 months from start to finish to this point right here. Hundreds and hundreds of tons, same result every time. So all of that super soil recipe and all of that stuff, that's fine and dandy if you want to go that route. I'm not knocking it, not saying it won't work, it will work. That's just marketing, and that's convenience. And if you don't understand actual soil science and actual science of nature to actually break down something that has all of those components within it, well, you're going to go to a store and you're going to go to this guy and then you're going to get this advice and you're going to get that advice and then you're going to make a hodgepodge of information to try and come up with a solution that's suitable for yourself. I created this so you wouldn't have to go through all of that. Very cost efficient. Yes, very cost efficient. And I'll give you an outside radius of what I use to actually study and gauge. This is a 50-50 mix of coconut coir and my source material. My source material actually creates an explosion of mycorrhizin, hi-fi, all of that good stuff on its own. The coir cannot. It needs additive boosted to actually do that. The coir on itself cannot. It's basically sterile, inert, dead. You have to create life in it to actually give it a stimulus kick, a pulse, like you put some panels on it or something like that. But anyway, I took it all the way around that naturally and cost effectively. One simple application.